Most MCP tutorials hand you a node project, an SDK, a tool handler, and a server you have to keep running. Here's the other way. Step 1. Any hosted Postgres will do. Neon, Supabase, or one you run yourself. Grab the connection string. The post links a few free tiers. Step 2. 3 tables. 2 of them are plumbing, your tenants, and the tokens you've issued so you can revoke them. The third one is your actual data. Copy the schema from the post and run it with PSQL. Step 3. 2 variables. First, the database URL. Paste the connection string exactly as your provider gives it. No editing. Tick encrypt, because this value can read your whole database, and keep the permission private. Now the second one, the solo secret. 32 characters or more, generated rather than typed. This is what signs the tokens your clients will send, so it never leaves the platform. Step 4. The config. Paste it in from the post. 1 file, a database block, then a single interface. Read it top to bottom, verify the caller's token, check the input, run the query. That's an ordinary HTTP route. This block is the only thing that makes it an MCP tool as well. Step 5. Deploy it. Pick a permission, tick Deploy to Staging, and hit Create. AirPipe saves the revision and points staging at it. Nothing to build and nothing to host, though if you would rather run it yourself, the same config self-hosts on a single binary. Your token is signed with that solo secret. Mint it once at jwt.io or with the snippet in the post. The API takes it as an AirPipe JWT header. Step 6. Run it. The Test tab is a full request builder, so you never leave the browser. Open it and start a new request. Name it, choose the interface, and add your token as an AirPipe JWT header, the same value any client would send. Send. 200. The token check passed, the body check passed, and the query came back with rows, out of Postgres, through the config you just wrote. Now the same interface, over the MCP protocol. Initialize returns the server's identity, the title and instructions your client displays. Tools list needs the token. Tools call runs exactly the same actions an HTTP request would. Point Claude Desktop or Claude Code at that URL and it queries your database.